Hello viewers, today we will talk about CRM sales process. To understand better, we'll take one example today. Imagine a company called LTI Solutions that specialized in providing IT services and solutions to businesses. They use a customer service relationship management, so CRM system, with a sales model to manage their sales and customer interaction. Again, imagine LTA Solutions received a communication or information from the company called SAM LLC expressing their interest in IT consulting services. Now, we want to store this information in the CRM systems. This is called lead. So, lead means a potential customer who has shown interest in a company's services but has not yet made a purchase or not established a formal business relationship. So think about, as of now, this is just a raw or basic information. We will take another example. Assume you go for an event or a conference. No, you may stop by some booth or a stall. They may collect some information about you and your company and your interest. So this is called a lead. This does not mean you are going to buy product or services right away or in the near future. So have a take at this example. Lead has information about the person whom they are talking about it and their interest, and sometimes when they also where they are working also. After multiple calls and follow-up, once the lead shows a strong interest and a potential for a sale, this lead can be converted to an opportunity. So opportunity means a potential sale. In this opportunity, generally we estimate a potential revenue, and generally we use them the close date so that we know them now when do a follow up and all. Now we know what is lead and what is opportunity. Through this process, so many interactions may happen, like an email, phone call, meeting, with each lead and opportunity stages. All those interactions called activities. After multiple activities, when the deal is successfully closed, the opportunity status is updated to own. So based on this setup, so company record and then person dealing with the records created separately, it's called contact. Okay. So sometime the company may say the organization setup or CRM setup may say the account and the contact record create automatically or manually. No, at the screen looking at the option, no, you can able to create these two records optionally. Okay. But opportunity will record will be created when we're converting from a lead to opportunity. Okay. An account in this context represents a company or organization that LTA solution does business with it, right? If you say that lead is a basic information and opportunity is basically they are showing the interest, basically now it's going to be you are going to get some business with them. That's an opportunity. Account is basically you can say it a company whom interested, right? And whom interested. And then contact is basically who you are dealing with it because you are not talking to the company, right? Because some representative or some person is talking in behalf of that company, right? So lead, opportunity, account, and contact. So now each account record contains detailed information about the company, including its name, address, industry, and contact information, right? So contacts are individuals within these companies with whom LTA solution interacts it, right? That's a two differences there. Account is an organization or a company. Contact is a person. So in this case example, we look at here, John Smith. He is an IT manager, on SAM LLC. The another contact is John Doe, he is a CFO. So each contact record includes personal details and their association with an account. Each stage or the process, we collect more information. So we need a system to store all this information in a structured way. Okay, we have a lead information, opportunity, account, contact, and then all activities. Okay. Now you may think about, we can create this one in now using in a SQL or Oracle with a .NET, Java, or any other full stack. Maybe true, but not exactly. The reason is this CRM product have a many more features. Okay, which which it's hard to create it our own thing. So we will discuss in detail in a later video. So now what I'm showing in this is a very simple example, but it shows how account, contact, lead, and opportunity entities are tied together in a sales model of a CRM system. So in this example, it helps a company like a LTI Solutions to manage and track their sales and sales activities, company relationship, and opportunities, right? So it able to track everything. So what's next? So we will create a trial instant so that you may play around it when we learn each topics. Okay. So how is our learning tracks is going to look like? So we learned in a last video, we learned what is CRM. In this video, we learned what is sales process. And the next one, we will do a system setup, which means set up the trial instance, which is not cloud system, so that you can follow when you listens it. Okay, and then it's going to be a multiple video on each topics. Okay, see you on the next video to create a trial instance. Thanks for watching and enjoy the learning.